So in this example, I have cosine squared x multiplied by, in bracket, 1 plus tan squared x, and it has to be equal to 1. So basically we need to prove that. So we cannot start from the right hand side, so it's better to start with the left hand side. As I said earlier in different videos, that we always need to start with the most complicated side. So it's going to be cosine squared x times 1 plus sine squared x divided by cosine squared x, because here tan squared x equals to sine x divided by cosine x squared. So that's why we have here sine squared x divided by cosine squared x. So now what I'm gonna do, I will have a common denominator here. So it's gonna be cosine squared x for both of them. So this one has to be cosine squared x plus sine squared x. So that's how I convert it. So instead of 1, I wrote cosine squared x divided by cosine squared x. And here I have cosine squared x here too. So as we know, cosine squared x plus sine squared x is going to be equal to 1. So it's going to be cosine squared x times 1 over cosine squared x. Then I can write cosine squared x divided by cosine squared x, and it will be equal to 1. So that's how it's proved.